Hello everyone, welcome back to physical education class. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. My name is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. In the previous video, we have discussed about introduction, meaning, definitions, aims and objectives, and careers in physical education. Now we will start with next term. Competitions in various sports at national and international level. Let's start.
Dear all, now we will discuss about various types of competition in national and international level. First of all, we should come to know about national competition. National competition is that competition. There are only states are participating of a one nation, and international competition is when nation is going for competition. Just like a Indian team is going to participate in Olympic, Asian Championship, any other international championship, then we can say this is international level. When we are playing in India, suppose Punjab versus Haryana, UP versus Bihar, Maharashtra versus Karnataka, it means they are playing for national level. This is called also interstate competition. Is it clear now? So now we will come to next. Next is I would like to discuss about various sports. First of all, we will discuss about cricket. You see, in national level, we can say a Ranji Trophy. A Ranji Trophy is started on behalf of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. He was a very good empire of India and very famous also. On behalf of that, they started IPL, Indian Premier League. This is a domestic cricket. Domestic cricket, in this IPL league, only top 8 states can participate. I mean, competition level is very, very high. Top 8 teams can participate in that. And next event is Kabaddi. Kabaddi is really our domestic game also. And we can say Kabaddi is also a rural game. In other words, we can say Kabaddi given by India. And for your kind information, we are Asian champion regularly since so long in Kabaddi. We should feel proud. And in Kabaddi League, our so many events are there. Indian Pro Kabaddi League. This is very good for Kabaddi. So many players are earning so much money in that. And suppose a Punjab player can participate from Gujarat side. A Kerala player can participate from Himachal side. Jammu Kashmir player can participate on Haryana by because they hired by the authorities and they are earning very good money. And next is football. And football is a world famous game. We can say the football is number one game of the world. And Indian Super League started, nowadays so many companies are coming ahead, professional level. Ambani family is also with them. And the wife of Anil Ambani, along with the wife is also Mukesh Ambani, is also taking interest in that. She's donating so much money for our football players, and hope so our football team will come up in very short span of time. They are all working hard for that. And next is the hockey. And students, hockey is our national game. Hockey is our national game after 47. And our government and associations are started also Hockey Indian League, Professional Field Hockey League in India, founded in the year to 2013. Only 6 teams of India, those who can qualified, they can participate in that. And next is a mother of sports. Mother of sports, sorry. Mother of sports is called athletics. Is a national game of the world, we can say. Largest sports event in India organized every 2 years. In this event, all muscles can involve of the body. And next is badminton. Badminton is also, in Asian level, in Olympic level, our badminton players are doing wonderful job. You might be knowing about that. Last Olympic, our PB Sindhu brought glory for my nation, and we are feeling proud to announce her name in front of you now. And in badminton world leagues also, there are badminton Indian league also. It is an annual event organized by Badminton World Federation, and India is doing well in badminton. We should feel proud on that. And baseball is a we can say baseball is an American national game. The World Baseball Classic, is it an international baseball tournament held between teams around the world? And this game is very famous in America, just like hockey is our national game, and baseball is a national game of America. And but next is football. Football FIFA World Cup is very very famous in all over the world. Some qualified teams can participate only. I mean, 32 teams can participate in the tournament, but after qualify for the tournament. Without qualify, nobody can participate. This is very hard event for every nation, and they all will feel proud when they are participating over there. And next is a volleyball. Volleyball World Championship. Volleyball World Championship. 24 team can participate in Olympic, even World Championship also. But they have to qualify first of all. Without qualification, they cannot participate in that. Now, thank you. Next is I will tell. Dear students, next is Summer Olympics. But a Summer Olympic is a mega event of the world. International multi-sports event held every 4 years, organized by International Olympic Committee. In this tournament, we have to participate. What? We have to qualify first of all. This is, we can say, a mega event of the world. Every country want to participate, but depend upon qualification round. In this Olympic, indoor, outdoor, combat sports, every game is included. Even women boxing included. Whenever Mary Kom brought glory for us after so many years, she brought glory in Olympic medalist also, and wrestling also, and women boxing I told you earlier. And next is Winter Olympics, but international multi-sports event held after 4 years, just like Summer Olympic. 2 years Summer Olympics for sport practice on ice and snow. This is this is very important for this event. So many events of ice and snow related, so that they have to practice 2 years on that. Next is Commonwealth Games. You should come to know what is Commonwealth Games. Those countries were under British in old era. Only they can participate. These events also after 4 years. Athletics from Commonwealth of Nations. Athletes, athletes from Commonwealth. Next is Asian Games. But Asian game, in Asian Games only Asian countries can participate. We can, other words, we can say these games also known as Asiad. This is also our 4 years. All athletes from Asia can participate in that. But here also there is also we require qualification round. And I would add one more thing. Asian gold medalist direct can participate for coming Olympic. This is also called qualification era. And next is Youth Olympics, international multi-sports event held after 4 years for athletes 14 to 18 year of age. We can say also Junior Olympic. This is very important. So children, thank you very much. If any queries are there, you can ask anytime telephonically also. Thank you very much.
At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.